Today, we will talk about nature. Listen and practice. Nature is all around us, and it is an important part of our lives. When we talk about nature, we can describe the world outside: trees, flowers, rivers, and mountains. Nature is beautiful, and many people enjoy spending time outdoors. We can say, the sky is blue, the sun is bright, and the air is fresh. In the countryside, we see green fields, farms, and animals. Some people enjoy walking in the forest and listening to the birds. Others like going to the beach to swim in the sea or relax in the sun. Nature changes with the seasons. In spring, flowers grow and everything looks fresh. In summer, the weather is hot, and people enjoy picnics and holidays. In autumn, leaves turn red, yellow, and brown. In winter, some places have snow, and the air is cold. When talking about nature, we can also describe animals. For example, I saw a deer in the forest yesterday. Or, there are many fish in the river. We can also talk about the weather in nature. For example, it rained a lot last week. Or, the sun will shine tomorrow. Many people like taking photos of nature, pictures of sunsets, flowers, and mountains are very popular. Nature is also a place to relax. We can say, I feel calm when I sit near the sea. Or, walking in the park makes me happy. Talking about nature can also include travel. For example, I visited the desert and saw sand dunes. Or, I climbed a mountain and saw the view from the top. Nature is different in every country. Some countries have jungles. Others have snowy mountains. Some places have big rivers, and others have long beaches. When we talk about nature, we often use adjectives like beautiful, quiet, green, fresh, or amazing. For example, the forest was quiet and beautiful. Or, the waterfall was big and amazing. Nature is important for people's health and happiness. Spending time outside helps us relax and feel better. It also teaches us to respect the environment in the end. Talking about nature reminds us of the beauty of our world and the need to protect it. Asterisk, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and asterisk, activate the notification bell to receive all new updates. Thank you, dear viewer.